everyone, and welcome to the second On the Same Wavelength, the wireless perspective with Perry. Today I'm joined by Phil, and he is our product specialist here at ESTeem. And if you have called for tech support or any general questions, you've probably talked to Phil. So thanks for joining us, Phil. And
Yeah.
What are we talking about today?
Well, we're going to talk about modernizing your wireless hardware, modernizing and upgrading.
Okay, so I guess let's get started. How long has ESTeem been making radios?
Well over 40 years now. I mean, that's like longer than we've been alive.
That is longer than we've been alive. So why should someone consider upgrading their radio system?
Well, really, it's to modernize your hardware, as I said. Technology upgrades over time and evolves, and security upgrades and evolves, and we need to evolve with it. So we've, updated our hardware and software and modernized everything to make that easier.
Okay. Are there any new features that are in that people can expect from say they're going from the 195 years E series to the Horizon series? Are there any new features in that radio?
There's a ton of new features. We've got, like I said, updated security. We've got some cloning features, new monitoring features, the ability to completely lock down the radio to anything outside, inside even. It's pretty feature rich. We can make it mold to whatever you need.
Oh, that's awesome. So what are some of the new features, I guess, if somebody's going from a 192 to our 195 narrowband?
A lot of things have updated with our new 195. It's, like I said, modern hardware. So it now has Ethernet support. It also includes security when the 192s didn't have that before. It's got a 4 to 20 milliamp sensor in it. It's got a full spectrum analyzer built in even.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's very helpful for monitoring. You can live monitor while the radio is running. Lots of features built in now.
Yeah, that is a lot of good features. So how would somebody go about upgrading their system without disrupting their whole system, say for like a water wastewater?
Well, if you're upgrading piecemeal, we actually can support that if you're coming from from our old 195 or 2 series radios. We support full backwards compatibility, so they can talk to the old radios while also talking to the new radios at the same time. So they can just go in one at a time and slowly upgrade your system to the new modern specs that you need. It's pretty helpful.
How easy is it to upgrade? Is it just like a button click, or do you
Yep.
have to?
While setting up, you can, for the Horizons, you just tell them to operate on legacy rates, and for the narrowbands, you have to do a little training to some 192 compatibility mode, and it'll be set up and talking like it's an old radio, never changed.
That sounds pretty painless and pretty
Yeah.
easy.
It's pretty simple.
So if anyone else has any additional questions about this, what is the best way they can get a hold of you?
You can give us a call, shoot us an email, or we have a new chat system on our website, which is pretty helpful.
Yeah, the chat system is probably our favorite way to get a hold of us right now. So, well, thank you everyone for coming. Thanks, Phil, for joining us today.
Yep.
And we'll see you next month for our next episode.